children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and you all know that from Monday we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, we need a house. So children, as you all know that yesterday I gave you an assignment in which I gave you to complete one book exercise. As in your assignments I gave you two videos, part 1 and part 2. So in part 1 video I have explained you the chapter and explained you the book exercise, as well as in part 2 video I gave you one notebook exercise which I explained you and I told you to complete in your EVS notebook. So I hope you all have completed that exercise, and that exercise I am going to show you children. It was fill in the blanks. Part B, it was fill in the blanks. So I hope you all have completed these fill in the blanks. There are 6 fill in the blanks, and I hope you all must have done these fill in the blanks in your notebooks yesterday only. And those who have not done, children, please make sure that you complete this work first and then only start with the new work which we are going to do today. Okay, so are you all ready for your new assignment which we are going to do today? Very good. So first of all children, take out your EVS notebook, okay, and turn to a new page. As you can see, every time we start a new assignment or a new topic from a new page. Is that clear? Now first of all you will write down today's date, that is 24/7/2021, okay, and then in the first line you will give the heading chapter number 8, we need a house. Clear to you all? So make sure children, every day your work should be completed on time and you should write date on it, okay. Many of you have not written any heading, any date on any page, as I have noticed when you gave your assignments for correction. So please make sure children, you all have to mention the date as well as the topic which as well as the headings and the topics which we are doing, okay. So in the first line you will give the heading chapter number 8, we need a house, and in the next line you will write down assignment number, okay. So today's assignment number is 8.3. Clear to you all? Now part C, today we are going to do, in this video we are going to do only one exercise which is part C, third exercise on true or false. Is that clear children? I hope you all are getting this point. Now let's get started with the true false. As you all know, in true false what you have to do, you are given some sentences, okay. I have written here some sentences. First of all I will read the sentence, I will explain you the meaning of sentence, what is it asking, okay, and then if the sentence is correct we always write true for that, and if the sentence is incorrect or if it is wrong then we write false for that. Is that clear? So our first sentence, are you all ready? Good. First sentence, our house protect us from animals and thieves. Is this true or false? Yes, this is true. Why it is true? Because we all know that our house always protect us from heat, cold and rain, as well as it also protect us from wild animals and thieves. Is that clear? So you can write here, I have forgot to write wild animals, okay. Here I am going to write WILD, wild. Our house protect us from wild animals and thieves. So this is true. So what we are going to write in the bracket, we are going to write TRUE, true. Is that clear children? Now coming to the second sentence. Our second sentence is, a kacha house is made up of bricks, cement and steel. Now read this sentence carefully. A kacha house. The word kacha itself is explaining us that it is not a permanent house. It is, वो एक permanent house नहीं है, वो एक बहुत ही कच्चा means, you all know in Hindi, कच्चा means कि वो permanent नहीं है, वो बिल्कुल भी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, Okay, so a kacha house is made up of brick, cement and steel. Is this true or false? Yes, this is false, because kacha house is always made up of clay, straw and dried leaves. Okay, dry grass and leaves. Okay, and a pakka house is always made up of brick, cement and steel. So kacha house is made up of clay and straw, and its roof is made up of dry grass and leaves. So this sentence is false, it is wrong. So here in the bracket we will write FALSE, false. Clear to you all? Now coming to the third part, a big pakka house is called a bungalow. जो बहुत बड़ा वाला पक्का हाउस होता है, जो बहुत बड़े एरिया में बना होता है, is it called a bungalow? Yes, this is true. So what we are going to write here? TRUE, true. Clear to you all? A big pakka house is called a bungalow. It is true. Now coming to the fourth sentence, houses made of wood are, turn the page. Okay children, houses made of wood are found in hilly regions. Clear? So houses made of wood are found in hilly regions. Is this true or false? जो वुड के बने हुए घर हैं वो हमें हिली रीजन्स में मिलते हैं देखने के लिए. Yes, this is true. So in the bracket we are going to write TRUE, true. Is that clear? Now coming to the fifth sentence, we should not keep our house neat and clean. हमें अपना घर नीट और क्लीन नहीं रखना चाहिए. Is this true or false? हमें अपना घर हमेशा नीट और क्लीन रखना चाहिए कि नहीं? Yes, हमें रखना चाहिए. But in this sentence it is said that it is saying that we should not keep our house neat and clean. हमें अपना घर साफ सुथरा नहीं रखना चाहिए. So this is false. So in the bracket we will write FALSE, false. Is that clear? Now coming to the last sixth sentence, a good house has many windows and a neat and clean floor. एक good house जो होता है उसमें बहुत से windows और neat and clean floor होता है. Is this true or false? Yes, this is true. Because एक जो अच्छा घर होगा, good house होगा, doesn't matter if it is big or small, but it should have a number of windows so that sunlight and fresh air should enter, so that you can get good ventilation in the house, and the floor should be neat and clean. Is that clear? So this is true. So by this children, I hope you all have understood this first exercise of today's assignment, that is true false. Once again I am repeating all the 6 sentences with answers, so listen to it very carefully. First sentence, our house protect us from wild animals and thieves. This is true. हमारा घर हमें wild animals और thieves से बचाता है. Yes, this is true. फिर second है, a कच्चा house is made up of brick, cement and steel. So this is false, because कच्चा house bricks, cement और steel से नहीं बनता, clay, straw, leaves और dry grass से बनता है, और पक्का हाउस बनता है ब्रिक, सीमेंट और स्टील से. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस इज फॉल्स. थर्ड सेंटेंस, अ बिग पक्का हाउस इज कॉल्ड अ बंगलो. जो बहुत बड़े एरिया में पक्के हाउसेस बने होते हैं, जो बहुत बड़े बड़े बने होते हैं, दोज हाउसेस आर नोन एज बंगलोज. येस, दिस इज ट्रू. देन कमिंग टू द फोर्थ सेंटेंस, हाउसेस मेड ऑफ वुड आर फाउंड इन हिली रीजन्स. येस, as you all know, this is also true. हिली regions में ही हमें wooden house देखने को मिलते हैं. This is true. Then number 5, we should not keep our house neat and clean. हमें अपना घर neat and clean नहीं रखना चाहिए. This is false. And the last sentence, a good house has many windows and a neat and clean floor. This is true. So I hope children this exercise is very clear to you all and there is no confusion. So I want you all to complete this exercise first, and then children, now please switch on to my part 2 video in which I will be explaining other 2 small exercises. Is that clear children? Till then, bye bye, take care.